Hey, Yellow Bro, what's up?
Oh, nothing. Just relaxing. Also, someone kicked me last episode.
It was me. I kicked you and took that red crayon from you.
Why did you do that?
I'm sorry, I just really wanted to get out of that danger zone.
Okay. But don't do something like that again.
Okay.
We'll be right back! New from the Alphabet Park, it's the Alphabet Park plushies! You can get the main 3 letters of the alphabet as plushies, and more plushies from the letters of the alphabet will be coming up very soon.
Look, I got the letter A.
Oh yeah, it's the letter B. Cool.
Sweet! I got myself the letter C. You can get the main 3 letters of the Alphabet Park in the Alphabet Park plushies, each sold separately. Get out of the store today.
Hey TiVo, wanna try one chip? No way, Maya, I got something delicious on my musical lunchbox. Sandwich group, cow group, jungle group, Butterfinger group. Hey, there's no Butterfinger group. Oh, I forgot, Maya. The Butterfinger group provides a bunch of peanut butter and chocolate taste essential for survival. I don't have the Butterfinger group. Looks like I got a lot of nutrition, Maya. Nobody lays a finger on my Butterfinger.
Well, everybody, they're building the island of luxury. It's called Dream Island.
64 contestants. 1 island.
We'll lose a whole bunch. Please, no.
Crazy challenges. And more.
So, how much will it cost?
Not even a penny.
Then I'll take it.
Catch the gang of Battle for Dream Island Monday to Friday at 10 a.m. and at 4:30 p.m. on Teens Channel.
Greetings and salutations! I am your host, MePhone 4, and this is Inanimate Insanity.
From Ishmael's creations of BFDI and Teapot, lives another object show that you'll like.
Whoa, are you serious?
Oh,
how generous of you, Nickel.
Pick the crazy challenges that you can come across with your favorite characters.
Alright, you're going down, you loose leaf.
Yeah, I guess I am.
The tension between every single contestant can also reveal darkest, deepest, messiest, creepiest secrets.
And you're all truly welcome to view any of them if you ask. I only ever wanted them to help us.
Catch me, Phone 4, and the contestant on Inanimate Insanity Monday to Wednesday at 5:30 and 6 p.m. and weekends at 10:30 a.m. on Teen Channel.
Announcer runs a new show in a new world with weekly episodes and 12 contestants. Welcome to Battle for Dream Island Elsewhere.
Ow! No!
That's a lot.
Watch new episodes premiering Thursday on HaltingTuber TV.
Hey, God. Hey, son. Hurry up. What, Daddy? Well, oh, yay! What the
I got you a balloon to blow up. Ready?
No! What? He's about to blow.
No!
No!
Blow it up, man. Blow it up, Charlie.
We'll never know why Polly likes bubblegum.
Anyway, instead of playing these digital games, who wants to play Connect 4?
I guess we'll play that.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, me too. Well, let's begin.
Oh! Watch Springtrap and David, a new series every weekday on your Jeff Toon network.
Ollie, I'm having a brainstorm. recipe!
Tart. Lemonade should be yummy and sweet, with lots and lots of sugar. Nuh-uh. I know! A contest!
Watch the Ollie and Moon Show, Saturdays at 7 on your Jeff2 network.
Hey Leafy! What is it, Pen? Have you tried the new Soda Supreme? No. Why? Because it's very tasty. Try it. It's super good. Look at the wrapping. Isn't the wrapping perfect though? No, it sucks. You're not gonna actually drink it, are you? Yes, but first... That's what happens when you don't drink Soda Supreme. So get some now.
Hey TiVo, wanna try one chip? No way, Maya, I got something delicious on my musical lunchbox. Sandwich group, cow group, jungle group, Butterfinger group. Hey, there's no Butterfinger group. Oh, I forgot, Maya. The Butterfinger group provides a bunch of peanut butter and chocolate taste essential for survival. I don't have the Butterfinger group. Looks like I got a lot of nutrition, Maya. Nobody lays a finger on my Butterfinger.
Now back to the fun time.
Since Gingerbread, DB, CP, and Hourglass had the lowest scores, they were up for elimination, and one of them is going to be eliminated.
Oh, I hope it's not Hourglass.
I hope it's not Dinosaur Bone. We'll see who it is at the elimination. Elimination time, elimination time. Let's see who's going to the pink box. We got 130 votes, 49 less than last time, but it's the same number of votes we got in the elimination before last. I have 9 marbles. If you don't get a marble, you're eliminated. Yeah, we know. Hush. Anyways, these 6 who weren't up for elimination all get marbles. There's only 3. That's not very much, but at least I'm out of the danger zone. Toppy, Domino, and Color Pencil have the lowest scores, so they are up for elimination. You said that already. Hush. Well, time for us to go now. Bye, Donut. Bye. Bye, girls. So, viewers, vote for one of these 3 to be eliminated using the letter in square brackets. You can vote 10 times or less. Voting ends in 5 days. Recommend a character if you like. Hey Cupcake, wanna hear a knock-knock joke? Okay. Knock-knock. Who's there? Donut. Donut who? Donut eat me. I wanna eat you. No!
The following program is rated TV Y7 and equipped with closed captions.